Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix no sound after Windows 11 update. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, right-click on your sound icon right here at the bottom right. Now, go ahead and click on Open Volume Mixer. Okay, maybe these toggles right here are turned off. Okay, make sure that you amp it up just for now. And you can just adjust this manually later. Also, the output device is set to the correct output device. For example, you only have a laptop speaker while you gotta use speakers. Okay, let's say you're trying to use a headset. Well, set this one to headset. All right, if that will work, right click on it again, the sound settings. Okay, right here, click on it. Now go ahead and scroll all the way down and find more sound settings. Just click on it, and in this section, go ahead and find your speakers under playback. Okay, so double click on your speakers. Now go ahead over to levels and check it. Make sure that it is not muted. All right, now once that's done, hit on apply. Click on enhancements right here. Make sure that you disable all enhancements. After that, again, hit on apply. Now go to advanced tab right here. If you have it set to a 32 or 24-bit, try at least 16-bit right here. All right. And once that's done, hit on apply and make sure that you untick this one, exclusive mode. Okay, untick it. Just copy my settings, hit on apply, then test it out. Now, if it works, you're good to go. Now, if that still won't work for some other users, you can go ahead over to your start menu, right click on it and click on device manager. And then in here, we are going to find audio inputs into outputs. Okay, click on this drop down and find your specific speaker, double click on it, driver right here. Now just go ahead and uninstall the device. Okay, maybe this update right here is bad. You can just uninstall it, uninstall. Now once that's done, go ahead and close this one. Now just restart your computer, and after that it will just automatically install another update for your sound driver. Okay, and once your computer boots up, everything should work perfectly fine now. That is it. That is how you fix no audio after a Windows 11 update. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.